This is the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and it might just be 2025's most underrated flagship. A sleek sandblasted metal frame, curved edges, and even wood and vegan leather back options. This thing screams premium. And that display? A 144Hz POLD that feels smoother than butter. Powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 with up to 16GB RAM. Multitasking, effortless. Gaming, lag-free. Charging, insane 125-watt wired, 50-watt wireless. 0 to full in under 20 minutes. And the cameras? 50-megapixel triple setup with a telephoto that actually delivers. Motorola's AI image engine brings serious heat. Low light, portraits, action, it handles it all. You've got IP68 water resistance, stereo speakers, and one of the cleanest Android experiences out there. It's fast, fluid, and bloat-free. Here's the real kicker, the price. For all this flagship power, Motorola is undercutting the big names hard. It's competing with Galaxy and OnePlus and holding its ground. This isn't just a solid phone, it's Motorola's best phone in years. The Edge 50 Ultra proves you don't need a $1,300 foldable to get flagship performance. Motorola is back. And this time, it means business.